my name is Allison. I'm the Programs Outreach and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. Thank you for joining me today for another episode of STEAM Time. Today we are going to do a very simple but very fun experiment about colors. And for this project, you are going to need a few things. You are going to need an empty ice cube tray. You are going to need food coloring in the primary colors, so you will need red, yellow, and blue. And you are going to need a straw or a syringe if you have a little syringe, or something that you can use to suck up water and mix in different compartments. So this is a metal straw. You can use a plastic straw if you like. And you are also going to need water. So to get started for this project, you are going to fill up the different compartments of the ice cube tray about halfway with some water. It doesn't have to be hot water, cold water, room temp, whatever. You're just going to fill them up a little bit, not all the way. Some of mine got filled up all the way. All right, I'm going to adjust the camera and show you what we're going to do next. Okay, I have our food colorings here. If you have a squeeze bottle at home and you want to fill those up, you can do that as well. I don't have a squeeze bottle, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave some of these ice cube trays just blank, but I'm going to add 1 drop of blue into one. I'm going to go down a few more, add a drop of yellow. A couple drops at a time are coming out, and then go down here and add in some red. So we have 3 trays mixed with our primary colors. You can see that. And now we're going to have some fun mixing colors to see what other colors we can make. So for instance, I'm going to mix up our blue here. And I'm going to take some blue and put it in one of these other containers. So a way that you can do to move the colors around is if you stick your straw in and put your finger on top, that suctions in some of the water. This food coloring is perfectly safe to eat, so you can suck a little bit up into your straw and put your finger on it, or you can, like I said, use a squeeze bottle or a syringe. So I have some of my blue. I'm going to come down here and put it in there, and then I'm going to clean it out in another tray. What will happen if I mix in some of our yellow into our blue? Do you guys know what color we're going to get? Let's see. Mix, 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 mix. Can you see that? What color did we get? Green. Now some of you probably knew that we were going to get green, but maybe you didn't. This is a really fun way to experiment with colors to see what you're going to get. So let's take some of our red here, and we'll put it here. We've got a couple drops of red, and I'm going to mix that in with some blue. What color did we get? It's kind of hard to see. It's a little pale, but purple. All right, now, what color do you think we're going to get if we mix our red right here with our yellow? Anybody know? We're going to get orange. Now I will admit that the orange and the yellow look pretty similar. But one of the fun things that you can do is you can start doing even more mixtures. So I could take some of this blue, put it in here, and mix it in with some of the green that I made and see what color I get. Or mix in the blue and the green and the red and the orange and see what I get. The possibilities are endless. So this is a very fun, simple activity that you can do to look at different color mixtures. Our eyes use special things called cone cells in order to see colors. Cone cells work best in bright light. Rod cells help our eyes to see in dim light, but they can only see black, white, and shades of gray, which is why it's harder at night to see bright colors. You can further this experiment at home by trying, like I said, many more colors. You could also try freezing the water. You could freeze different colored ice cubes and melt them together to see what color combinations you get. I got the idea for this experiment from this great book called STEAM Play Learn 20 Fun Step-by-Step Preschool Projects About Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math by Anna Dzingel. And this is available in our collection if you want to check it out and do some more activities at home. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have fun playing with colors, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.